You ever see a coding problem and go, oh yeah, that's easy, and then 20 minutes later you're staring at your screen like you've never written code in your life? Yeah, let's talk about that. So here's the thing, every coding problem looks easy from a distance, kind of like watching someone at the gym lift weights and think, psh, it's not that hard, and then you try it and suddenly your ancestors are calling you. Yeah, coding is the same energy. The first trick our brain plays is something called illusion of understanding. You read the problem, you recognize the words, you've probably done something similar before, and your brain goes, yeah, we got this. Except you don't. You just recognize the vibe of the problem, not the actual problem. It's kind of like seeing a meme you can relate to, but don't actually understand the joke. At a high level, everything is easy. Just reverse the linked list, just optimize the query, just fix the merge conflicts. That would have taken more developers out than imposter syndrome. Because when you actually try to do it, you realize the high level idea is simple, but the implementation is where your brain goes on annual leave. Coding problems hide steps like they're trying to surprise you. You start writing code thinking it'll just take 5 minutes, then suddenly you're debugging an error that should not have existed. The console is lying to you, and now you're prompting console like, fix this code and make it perfect and error free, please. That's usually when you understand the famous phrase, it works on my laptop. Our brain loves being overconfident. You read a question and your brain is like, bro, trust me. Then halfway to the solution, your brain disappears, like you went to go and buy milk and never came back. This is why mock interviews feel like speedrunning a panic attack. Now the good news, the more problems you solve, the faster your brain becomes better at spotting these little traps. But even senior engineers still get humbled by things that look easy. Ask any senior dev to quickly fix a small bug. That small bug will turn into a 4 hours investigation with 4 extra people, documentation open, and someone whispering, but why? Every 5 minutes. So the next time a coding problem looks easy, just remember, it's not you. It's not that you're bad. It's just that universal developer experience. Everything is easy until you try it. I really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. And check out this video on how I tricked my brain to get addicted to coding. It's research backed, it's practical, and it basically explains how to make your brain stop fighting you every time you sit down to code. Just click on it.